Good luck.
Kain. Nabatian na to.
Hoy! Hello! Lagay God!
Balik. Ay. Nakaon na. Hi, Ma!
Hi, Auntie!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Lagat ka na!
Lagi. Ma, marang ka busy na raw. Wadi na tayo. Kaya may party. Adi man ni Kuya.
Oh, hi ni Kuya!
Nga nalian na si... Tanaw kami. Ay, ayaw. Anyway, Ma. Happy birthday. Everyone's kind of busy here right now, but let us be the one to greet you. Happy birthday. We love you so much, and thank you for molding us into the person we are now. And as for your daughters, thank you for teaching us how to be ladylike. And as for my brothers, responsible na rayan na.
Yan ala!
Oh, and by the way, may dakang gift para hain. Pero you'll have to wait when we get there. So, I hope you enjoy your special day kay nagtitikabata ka lang.
Habang kami nagtitikaladas punuhan.
And we wish you more birthdays to come, more blessings.
Friends, and don't forget that we all love you so much.
Ay, Aya!
Aya! Yachi! Kita! Kita lang.
Adi man ni Aya. Ay, tala.
Ani, Yachi! Ato niyo.
Oh, okay, happy birthday. Ha? Ano ko na itong regalo?
Yung God!
Ma, may gift ko na kami na sofa.
Para imo. Puno.
Anyway, Ma, amulad. So, happy birthday.
Birthday!
Yan. Pag-abot ng gadasi mo, magkagang ng kita tanan.
Hoy!
Oo.
Apa ka?